Latest on the transfer news and what abafethu uVanilo, so I'm back again with indaba zakho Betway Premiership. Amathima amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So lana ke I'm here to confirm indaba esengakhuluma ngazo before sika Azola Jobeni. Azola Jobeni bafethu is one of those guys abazoshiya ku Orlando Pirates kule season. I remember when I was covering these news ngangithe Azola Jobeni uzojoin iChippa United with the former Chippa United player uGoodman Musela. uGoodman Musela ke bafethu uzobuyela kuyona iChippa United on a loan deal. Umjida kwaZola Jobeni yena ozojoina iChippa United on a permanent transfer. Yabo ade khiphile la indaba management yakhe. Management RSA ikhiphile indaba regarding yena wabasho ukuthi congratulations to Azola Jobeni for securing a permanent move to Orlando Pirates. Not to Orlando Pirates, to iChippa United from Orlando Pirates. Ngixolise lapho. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu iDurban City FC iclub ke le efikile kuBetway Premiership isithole a new sponsorship from iBMW. Bathole sponsorship from iSuperTech Group. Yabo le nkampani ke le bafethu especialize kakhulu ekudayiseni imoto enohlobo leimoto enjengema BMWs. I hope bazosebenzisana ndawonye bazo-add ivalue kule club iDurban City. iDurban City iqhubekile phambili izame ukushaya amasima akhona kuBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje TS Galaxy Bafana Defend uKhulumani Ndabani is a key target for Mamelodi Sundowns. Ngoba Mamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukumthenga ngempela umjida. Remember umjida una 21 years old. He is a former Kaizer Chiefs 30C products. Umjida ngempela ufunwa ama team akhona vele lapha eEurope. Benikhumbula kahle I reported udaba lwakhe efunwa ile club le edlalela umjida lo so Kaizer Chiefs uSiyabonga Ngezana. Mamelodi Sundowns isingenile lo race leyo yokumsayina abafethu uKhulumani Ndamani. Asazi ukuthi yipi team wina. Manikhumbula Orlando Pirates yayinayo interest uKhulumani Ndamani, but ke Orlando Pirates agcina isithenga i-defend center back uSiyema from TS Galaxy. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu namhlanje Amazulu FC akhiphe ijezi layo elishasha i-third kit lezo setshenziswa amazulu, but ngibona amafans amaningi amazulu ekhala ngale kit le. Into engixakayo akhala kanjani because babetholile ithuba lokuthi bawavotele ama kits abangawasebenzisa. Manikhumbula kahle ke iPrimo isizosebenzisana namazulu, iyona exhase amazulu njoba nilibona nje ijezi leli bafethu lakhiwe uPrimo bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje umgadli weMamelodi Sundowns uLuvuyo Phewa has returned to AmaTuks for his second loan spell as the club signing the new players. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu Aphiwe Balidi umdlali lo befunwa iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ngayitshosi le deal le izogcina isiconcludeile kanti cha iSwelele FC kuthiwa umjida ubonakala etrainer neSwelele FC. It looks like umjida uzojoina iSwelele FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje remember I reported about lo mjida lo bafethu uFaiz Abrahams. Umjida ko uyojoina iclub yale eIsrael. Akayile ukujoina on a permanent transfer, uyile kuyojoina khona on a season long loan. Lapho khona ezoyibonakalisa khona ukuthi umdlalo odlala ngempela ubehambile eyoshaya ama-trial khona le eSerbia. Ubeshaya ama-trial for i-team yase-Israel lapho khona eshaye amagoli amabili on a friendly game. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa Amazulu have appointed the new goalkeeper coach okubani okuPostnet Omoni. Umjida uzosebenzisana with uAtazwane lapha bazame ukuqinisa isquad samaZulu FC njengoba bezoqala nje isizini entsha. They are looking to get into top 8. Basengayi-challenger even nayo top 4. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa uMark Williams is set to be announced as the new 30C coach of iSwelele FC. iSwelele ke bafethu ile club le entsha ethengwe kwiSuperSport United. Benikhumbula kahle ke i-DDC coach ebicoacha iSuperSport United ihambile yojoin Orlando Pirates. Ngenzeka abe ucoach omusha we-DDC Orlando Pirates ngoba sabona uJoseph Dukuduku Makhanya with the main team Orlando Pirates le eSpain. Ngenzeka simbone umjida epromotwa naye uyosebenzisana ne-technical team Orlando Pirates lapha phezulu. The new coach uzojoina i-DDC oqhamuka kwiSuperSport United. uMark Williams uzo-announced soon as the new DDC coach yeSwelele FC. Menikhumbula kahle ke most technical team ebikwiSuperSport United izowela iyele kwiSwelele FC. Azikho izinto eziningi ezishintshiwe because even ama games eSwelele FC azodlalwa le Lucas Moripe Stadium. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iRichards Bay isiqhubekile yastrengthenisha isquad sayo lapho khona sebeconfirmile ukuthi basayine umdlali uSiyabonga Nzama from iMilford FC. It looks like i-future Daniel Akpeyi ayikho yinhle ngempela after parting ways with Marumo Gallants last month. Asazi noma khona yini ama-team afuna ukumsayina uMjida, but yena kuMjida, if you remember him in the days of Kaizer Chiefs, uMjida wayequality ngempela, sazi kwenzakalani. Ungangitshela ama-comments iyiphi team lo Mjida lo engamsayina right now angayinikeza something. For me I think returning to Chippa United might make sense, because Chippa United right now might sell their goalkeeper le kwi-Raja Casablanca. Njengoba bezodayisa ugoalkeeper wabo, they need a new goalkeeper ozofika lapha avimbe, because ugoalkeeper wabo bamdayisa kuMaZulu. If you remember, iChippa United, they sold their goalkeeper to AmaZulu, and uDaniel Akpeyi, even though Daniel Akpeyi is a starter lapha, uMjida uzohamba naye ayojoyina iRaja. They sold their second goalkeeper and they sold their first goalkeeper. So ngempela kungaba umbono omuhle for uDaniel Akpeyi ukuthi aqhubeke ayojoyina iChippa United, the former team vela sekayidlalela before. But ke ungangitshela ama-comments which team does Daniel Akpeyi must play for kule season ezoqala. Kwezinye zindaba eziphumile bafethu, the former AmaZulu midfielder uRowan Human is on a radar of the newly promoted side iDurban City FC. Yabo, benikhumbula kahle ke vele uMjida uRowan Human wayidlalela iDurban City FC before. Wayidlalela ngempela, so ngayenza ngempela isense ukuthi uMjida ajoyine iclub asekayidlalela before. Menikhumbula kahle ke uMjida wachithwa AmaZulu uRowan Human, icontract yakhe uMjida AmaZulu awayirenewanga, so imchithe kanjalo. So ngenzeka simbone edlalela iDurban City FC next season, iteam vela sekayidlalela before. Kwezinye zindaba iCape Town Spurs ifuna ukulwa ngempela regarding abadlali bayo abathathu, okubani okuAsanele Velebayi, Luke Bartman nemidfielder yabe yajoyina AmaZulu. Kuthiwa labadlali labo bajoyina ngokungemthetho, and iCape Town Spurs ifuna ukuya enkantolo beyolwalela lamacala lawo. Labadlali labo bathathu bafethu abaka-announce kuma club la abayekona. Menikhumbula kahle bafethu reported news regarding Asanele Velebayi noLuke Bartman nalomlungu lo odlala esiswini. Yabo, laba bawu-2 Luke Bartman noAsanele Velebayi they join iKaizer Chiefs, masuthi AmaZulu athola lo Mjida lo. AmaZulu ke they went to i-preseason nalomlungu lo. Yabo, they went to i-preseason badlala na angazi ke right now kuzokwenzakalani, because uMjida kumele report lapha ku-Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs angazi noma leli cala bazoliwina yini enkantolo. Ngangitshela ama-comments, should Cape Town Spurs let go of leli cala leli, because vele abaseseyona i-team edlala ku-professional league. Yabo, labadlali labo besayina ama-professional contracts abakwazi ukwehla with the team that is not playing in a professional league. Sebeyodlala phela ku-ABC Motsepe League, not ku-NFD. That's the second league la kwi-Betway Premiership. Sebeyodlala le ku-ABC Motsepe League. Kwezinye zindaba eziphumile bafethu, kuthiwa iYanga isisayine istriker Andy Boyle on a season loan from Sekhukhune United. If you remember, this player bafethu is a striker that was playing for Sekhukhune. This striker, before joining Sekhukhune United, I remember Orlando Pirates were interested in signing this guy. I don't know what happened with him, but it looks like right now you're joining iYanga lapho khona ezofike a revive career yakhe, because it looks like with Sekhukhune United he didn't come in and hit the ground. Yabo, Sekhukhune United right now they've signed a new striker, Bradley Grobler, from I think he was a free agent if I'm not mistaken. Kwezinye zindaba eziphumile bafethu, uMark Mayambela has resigned from Cape Town City after suspended iminyaka ewu4 kwi-club, serving as ucoach wa under 16, ucoach wa under 18 nocoach futhi oyi-assistant isekela la coach lapha kwi-DDC. uMjida bafethu uyahamba at the end of July, ngiyasaqhubeka with Cape Town City. Menikhumbula kahle ke he was linked with iChippa United ayoba i-assistant lapha kwiChippa United.